Let's go. All right, so the handles are pretty simple. Kind of hard to see with the way I have my GoPro situated. Forward, accelerate, just pull it back to brake. Oh man, look at this. All right, so the brakes, nothing's working right now, obviously. Oh man. So I just gotta watch out for the car in front of me. Gotta keep my distance because that'll hurt. Oh, this is cool. It keeps going up. I thought that was it. Hey, the scenery is kind of nice from up here. Oh man, I'm excited. Oh, it's picking up speed. All right, man, this is cool. Man, this looks unreal. This is, oh, there you go. Woo, picking up speed. Oh man, this is faster than I thought. Oh, oh my God. Man, that view. Oh man, oh that's bumpy. Oh man, that was fun.
Oh my God, beautiful.
Oh.